Hi, grade 2. Last time we talked about my uh, pattern and tessellation. Now we discuss about solid figures. Okay, listen. This is different from the shapes. A solid figure ay ito yung mga 3D objects. Okay, so let's go to the first solid figure, the sphere. Okay, sphere is a three-dimensional object that is round in shape. The shape of sphere is round and it does not have any faces. Okay, unlike sa circle, that is 2D, so meron siyang front and back. But the sphere does not any faces, so does not have any faces. So what is this best example? The best example is the ball of basketball, volleyball. So these are sphere. Okay, next, cube. Okay, a cube is a three-dimensional object that has six congruent square faces. Okay, what is the best example of a cube? The Rubik's Cube, yung dice, yan. So these are the cube at meron siyang anim na faces, congruent. Ibig sabihin ng congruent, again, magkakapareho ang sukat. Okay, next we have rectangular prism. So rectangular prism is three-dimensional solid figure which has identical faces at both ends. So the best example of this rectangular prism is what? The box. Okay, shoebox. Yan, ating mga shoeboxes. Okay, these are the best example ng rectangular prism. Ano pa? Yung ating mga cabinets, di ba? Yan, the best example ng rectangular prism yan. Ang bed natin, yung kama natin, so best example ng rectangular prism yan. Okay, triangular prism. Okay, a triangular prism is a polyhedron or three-dimensional shape made up of two triangular bases and three rectangular sides. Okay, yung rectangular sides, ito yung mga yan yung mga nasa sides. Tapos, yung ends niya, dalawang triangle. So, the best example, yung masarap na chocolate. Yung Toblerone, di ba? Yan. Example or best example natin yun sa triangular prism. Okay. Pyramid or the square pyramid. Bakit tinawag na square pyramid? The pyramid or the square pyramid is a 3D figure built with a base of polygon and triangular faces all connected together. Okay. So all connected together siya. Bakit siya tinawag na square pyramid? Kasi yung kanyang ah yung kanyang ito, base ay square. Okay. Balik lang tayo dun sa cube. Another word for cube ay cuboids. Ayan, yung mga cuboids. Pag sinabing cuboids, that is cube. Ayan. Yan yung ibig sabihin ng cube. Ng cuboid saan? Ng cube. Pag narinig nyo or nakakita kayo ng cuboids, cube yon mga bata. Okay. Next, we have triangular prism or triangular pyramids. Okay, dalawang klase yung pyramid natin. Isang square pyramid, isang triangular pyramid. Okay, triangular pyramid is a geometric shape that has three triangular base or that has a triangular base and three triangular faces. It has the vertex. Yung vertex, ayun, yung pinakatuktok common to all the three lateral faces of the triangular pyramid. Okay lang. Simple lang yan. Pag nakita nyo puro triangle, yung ating mga sides, that is triangular pyramid. Pero pag nakita nyo, triangle pero may apat na triangle pero square yung base, that is square pyramid. Okay, cylinder. A cylinder is 3D solid figure that consists of two identical and parallel base linked by a curved surface. Ayun yung curved surface. Okay. Now, what is the best example of this cylinder? Ang best example niyan yung mga dilata natin, yung canned goods. So, can ng sardinas, ano pa, yung mga tumbler natin, that is cylinder. Okay? So, cone. Cone. So, a cone is a three-dimensional solid figure or solid geometric shape, have a singular circular base and a pointed edge at the top called apex. Yun, yung pointed na yun, yung pinakamatulis na yun, ang tawag natin doon ay apex. Yung pinakababa, yung circular, ang tawag natin doon ay base. Okay. Ano ang best example ng cone? Yes, ice cream cone, yung mga party hat, yung mga traffic cone. Ayan. That are the best example of cone. Okay. Let's have a quick review. Okay. So, ano-ano yung mga 3D natin? These are sphere, cube or cuboids. Okay, prism, pyramid. So, dalawang klaseng pyramid natin. Isang square pyramid, isang triangular pyramid. Cylinder, and cone. Okay. Sa prism natin, meron din tayong triangular prism. Okay. So, for your activity, please get your worksheet. Yan. Okay, please get your worksheet, page 9. Yan, page 9. Yan, konting-konti na lang. At matatapos na natin yung ating worksheet. Okay? So that's all for today. At gawin natin yung worksheet natin para check na lang natin. Thank you!